2 frontier AI models, 1 tiny Ubuntu VM, 3 real coding rounds, a broken library, a from-scratch visualizer, and a GitHub bug that has been open since 2024. By the end, both of them write the exact same one-line fix at the exact same second. Let's go. AI labs are still naming their models like Yu-Gi-Oh cards. In this corner, Anthropic's Claude Fable 5. In the other, OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Soul. Both claim they outcode you, so I made them prove it. Benchmarks are astrology for developers, so I skipped them. I locked both models in the same Ubuntu VM and handed them real work. It is July 16th, 2026, and this is the AI Code Report. 3 rounds. Same tasks, same machine. Fable on the left, Soul on the right. No hints. Round 1. Here is a broken semantic-version comparator. Fix the precedence bug, then write your own edge case tests. Both caught it. Numeric pre-release tags were compared like strings, so Alpha 9 ranked above Alpha 11. Fable patched it in 137 with 10 tests. Soul took 3 minutes but wrote 17. Slower and way more paranoid. Round 2. Build a sorting algorithm visualizer. From scratch. 1 HTML file, no libraries. Soul took 7.5 minutes and shipped this. Algorithm lab, gradient bars, a live speed dial. It is genuinely gorgeous. Fable did it in 245, half the time, 600 lines, with a pivot highlight and a logarithmic speed curve. Function over flash. Both auto-run on load, both count every comparison and swap. Both threw 0 console errors. Honestly, a coin flip. Round 3, a real open bug. Python-box, 2800 stars, issue 264, open since 2024 with no pull request. Nobody has fixed it. Load a YAML float and it hands you a ruamel ScalarFloat instead of a real float. Silent until your serializer chokes on it.
Step 1. Reproduce it. Same failing test on both machines. Expected a float, got a ScalarFloat. Red. The bug is real.
Step 2. Let them cook. Both models traced it to the YAML loader defaulting to round-trip mode.
Step 3. Verify. And here is the twist. They wrote the exact same one-line fix. Round trip to safe. Repro green, 152 tests, still green. Round trip to safe. Repro green, 152 tests, still green. On both sides. Both finished in 257. A dead heat, down to the second. A dead heat, down to the second.
So, who wins? Fable is faster, fastest in every round they did not tie. Soul is more thorough, more tests, more polish. On the hard bug, they were identical. On the hard bug, they were identical. The unsettling part is not that one won. It is that 2 rival models now fix bugs the same way, in the same breath. This has been the AI Code Report. I will see you in the next one.